hot girl shit.
Look. Let's try this coffee right quick. It tastes really good. I don't know if I wanted to make an iced coffee or like a hot chocolate type of thing. I don't know, y'all. This is actually my first time making my own coffee because I usually go to Starbucks or somewhere else to get a coffee. But I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try to make my own coffee. So I was actually sent this coffee by a coffee club. All the details will be in the description. There was so many cups in here. So this coffee is from Nicaragua, San Fernando. That have the history and information about the coffee all on this card. So yeah, I woke up early this morning and I'm like, let me go make me a coffee and talk to my dolls because it's been a while. The last vlog that I uploaded was my birthday vlog. I just kind of been like really on my self-care journey and just wanting to kind of be to myself. I really didn't have the motivation to want to be on camera or vlog. Like, and that's really for like all my social media. This past month in February, I haven't really been posting on my social media like that. Going through some personal things and I've been busy. I've been trying to get my office/suite together. We're actually going to go there today. I have some things I need to clean up and finish, but I end up painting the room black. I'm gonna just have to show y'all when we go. So yeah, I've been working on that. Y'all see I posted a couple different videos, but I have not vlogged, y'all. I just felt like I didn't have anything to vlog and I really just didn't feel like it. I'm human just like y'all. Like, I just felt like I needed a little break. The whole month of February just felt like kind of like a break. Then I actually just got back from my friend's birthday trip. We went at the beginning of March. We went to Miami and y'all know I kind of just recently went to Miami. Even though we did like different things, I was just like, I don't know, I want to pick up my camera. I don't know what it was, y'all. I just wanted to enjoy like my trip. I honestly don't remember the last time I like went on a trip and like wasn't like vlogging or something. So I enjoyed that. I feel like I needed that break, but I know y'all missed me, so hey y'all. I had made the coffee and then I put some creamer in there and some whipped cream. Next time I think I want to make like an iced coffee. So I already picked the giveaway winner. So your Instagram is down below in the comment section. You should have received a DM from me. Thank you to everyone who commented in that video, the Rihanna playlist and everything. And if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go watch that video. The music was lit, okay? My YouTube plaque is supposed to be delivered today. Hopefully it comes because it was supposed to be delivered like 3 days ago, but I wasn't in town anyway. So I'm glad that I'll be here when it delivers. I want to do my lashes today. I was supposed to do them before my trip. I just did not have time. Like, I know every time I go on a trip, I do things last minute and I just didn't have no time. But I have some new individual lashes. And I've already did this before in one of my vlogs, but this time I have some individuals from Kiss and they kind of look a little bolder, which is what I wanted. So I want to do those. I think I'm gonna do that before I leave. And I might be going to the movies later to see Creed 3. And I need to go to the gym, y'all. Oh, I need to get back on it. Like, I have to get back on it. And actually, I'm about to book me a cycling class for tomorrow because, yeah, girl. Your girl has been off her little, you know, back and forth fake diet that I be on. I gotta show y'all my new case. Look how cute. This is from Casetify. Actually, let me go get the box that they sent me. Thank you, Casetify, for my gift. Y'all know me, I can't wait for nothing, so it's already open. But it came so cute. It was all tied up like a bow. So they sent me 2 cases and like a phone charm. This is how it came. One of the cases were this one. This is the other case. And I love this one. This one has my name on it. Let's change to this case, y'all. I love Casetify cases. They're so sturdy and cute. It's my new phone, but my other phone, it was like a mirror type of case with my name on it. I love that one. I'm gonna have to get me another one for this phone. I don't know if it's just me, but my allergies have been really, really on this big one. Like, I wasn't even feeling good before I had went on my trip. Like, February was a month, okay? And it went super fast. It's a phone charm. I never had one of these. So I have to figure this out, but I guess it would kind of go like right here at the bottom of the case. Cute. I love changing my cases. I be changing my phone cases like I change my clothes. It's that serious. I need a variety, period. Y'all, Angel is all in my business right now. She all in my business. Like, she is staring at me right now.
waiting for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too gravy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you but I know you probably go aside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside of things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside of things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Mobile shit, let's go have some fun, enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating, we're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston, definitely going down.
Car wash right now. Look how my lashes turned out, y'all. Why they look like real lashes stitches for real? I'm gonna make sure to leave these exact ones in my description, because yes. Okay. But y'all, look what came. My YouTube plaque. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn. I would vacuum my car, but I don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna open this with y'all at some point, but yes, I'm so excited to open that. I'm about to be on the way to the shop right now. It looked like it's about to rain, but I needed my car washed. I love my lashes, like, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna go get my lashes done by anybody anymore. Y'all know I'll be picking them off anyway, so like, that's really a waste of money. But if I could do them myself, you know, just reapply, fix them, however I want them, yeah, we on to something. Here's a room update. We didn't do this wall because it's going to be like an accent wall, but I painted the walls black. Everything is matte black. I still have to go over some things. These two rooms are still white. This is my office room. I'm probably going to add some wallpaper, paint this one a different color, but yeah. So yeah, and then here is the sign. I'm going to put this up today. The traptique. I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna put my reception desk here. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up all this stuff right now because I'm pretty much done painting. So yeah. That's Insta story. Last time we're no longer that girl.
Let me see, go take it back.
Times change, some niggas is aging.
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. Y'all see yesterday I went to the shop, and I don't know if I showed y'all what it looked like after I cleaned up, but I have to go back today because I have to paint the borders. Also for the wall that I'm going to do an accent wall on, I think I'm going to do a fur wall. So I ordered like some fur fabric off Amazon. So I don't know if y'all get to see it in this video or not. If not, then I'll show y'all in another one. But yeah, yesterday I ended up going to this restaurant, had some hookah and food, and then after I went to go see Creed 3, which was so good. Like, it was real good. I enjoyed it. I wanted to watch 1 and 2 because I felt like I needed it for 3, but honestly, y'all, I don't even think you have to see 1 and 2 to see 3. I didn't feel like you had to. But if you want to, then you can, because I'm actually gonna go back and watch 1 and 2 just because I enjoyed 3 and I just, you know, want to see it again. But anyways, I'm about to finally use my Moon Cosmetic products. I still have not used these products, so yeah, it's time. My face been breaking out a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna be testing out Moon Cosmetic products for a little bit. So yeah, let's get started. I showed y'all this in one of my videos when I got them, but they have the different steps on there and what product it is here on the side. This one is a Radiance Cleanser. I'm gonna start with this one. Warm water on my face, and then put some of this on my hands, rub it in. So this one says it can remove makeup, soothe, calm skin, reduce acne, strengthen skin barriers. Anybody else allergies been messing up? Cause mine have, and I've been sneezing all morning. So, rubbing this one in, it doesn't bubble, so, and then it says pat dry. I'm gonna use my facial sponge. All you gotta do is put water on it, and then it's a sponge. The next one is the Super Cleanser. Apply morning and evening, gently massage into damp skin to about a minute. Avoid eye areas, rinse with water. I love these sponges when I do my facial stuff. Kind of like what they use when they give you a facial. Okay. Let's go to step 3. Step 3 is the Glow Toner. Apply morning and evening. And sweep across face. We don't rinse this one. This one we're now rinsing. Y'all, am I doing this right? That is the Glow Toner. Number 4 is the moisturizer. Apply morning and evening, massage onto the clean face. Use alone or after the serums. And then the last one is the Rose Galore Oil. This may be applied in the morning and the evening. Apply the desired amount onto the toned skin, massage into skin. That skin glowing. Y'all see the skin. Okay, y'all, so that is it. I love this Rose Galore Oil. Like, it got my skin shining. I'm about to do my edges and stuff and get ready for today. I think I'm gonna go cycling later. Today is Wind Down Wednesday with my favorite instructors. So it's gonna be a vibe. Hey y'all, so it's time to open up my 100K plaque. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. So it's just a little recognition. Asking, do I remember my first subscriber, my 100th, your 1,000, all that. Let me take a picture of this right quick, y'all. Y'all, it's so cute. Jaelyn Dae for passing 100,000 subscribers. I got my YouTube plaque, y'all. Wow, this is so crazy. I would have not been able to get this plaque if it wasn't for y'all, like, for real. All my dolls who subscribed have helped me get this plaque. So thank y'all so much, because this means like everything. Today is the best day ever. OMG. I'm so excited, y'all.
Nice work, y'all. I want you at 135.